Hello, my name is Jessica and I'm coming to you today from Anvil Analytics and Insights, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to set up a custom alert in Google Analytics. So to start with, we're going to come down here to Admin, and in the View column we're going to come all the way down here to Custom Alerts. We're going to select Add New Alert, and when we do this we typically set up two different types of an alert. Alarm means that either all traffic or all goal conversions, whatever we set it up for, has completely dropped off. So our tracking has probably broken. Warnings, on the other hand, let us know that we're seeing a steep decline. So our tracking probably isn't broken, but our strategy, we may need to pivot our strategy. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and set it up as an alarm to alert us when daily sessions are less than 5. So if this happens, we know that our tracking, there's definitely something wrong with our tracking. We're going to just apply it to our reporting view. We want our period to be day, and then we need it to send us an email when this alert triggers. So I can choose my email here. I can put in other members on my team's email so they are alerted as well. We want this to apply to all traffic, but if you have a segment in Google Analytics, even if it's a custom segment that you've made, you can add that here. Alert me when sessions. Here's where if you want to do goal conversions or something like that, you can search for that there. Is less than, you have other options. Percent decrease by more than, increase is by more than, and if this is what you choose, you have a couple more options that appear here. We're going to go ahead and do is less than 5. Now that we have this alert set up, all we have to do is click Save Alert, and it will alert us every time that sessions drop below 5. So that's really all there is to creating a custom alert in Google Analytics. If you want to keep receiving tips and tricks on Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or Google Data Studio, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter on our site.